Minister, fellow comrades. The significance of this occasion, this ceremony, as simple as it is, should never be lost on us. It should serve as a constant reminder of where we were and where we are. It should serve as a constant reminder of what led to the revolt of June 4th, 1979, and serve as a constant reminder of the 31st December Revolution. Ladies and gentlemen, from what I can see, it appears that the color of this democracy is very different from the color of the democracy we knew from 82 to 92, and also very different from the color of the democracy we knew from the constitutional period from 92 to 2000. The color of those revolutions contained a strong element of justice, truthfulness, and freedom, and the spirit of defiance to contain wrongdoing. We should be asking ourselves what happened, especially from the year 2000. The color of this democracy, especially from the period of 2000, appears to lack the will, the capacity, and the ability to fight corruption. I keep harping on this issue, and I will continue to do so. The color of this democracy, ladies and gentlemen, seems a little too different from what we used to know, from the spirit of defiance that could contain the greed, the selfishness that has given rise to so much corruption and pain in this country. Ladies and gentlemen, I keep reminding ourselves of the colors of the revolution. It's extremely important that we do everything possible to recapture that spirit before it becomes too late. I keep saying the people of this country are peace-loving people, and it's important that we do not take the peace-loving nature of Ghanaians for granted. In a few months, we will meet again to light the flame of June 4th. Let us hope. Let us hope that we will, some color that we identify with, that is discernible with the revolution, will begin to show. We need to reignite the spirit. The spirit to fight corruption. The spirit to contain greed, selfishness. Otherwise, ladies and gentlemen, we may not be able to reach our destination. The people of this country do not deserve it. The time has come for us to start looking at those who profited from the change of the color starting from 2000, and those who are profiting from this change in color. Ladies and gentlemen, Nima Namine, that's all I have for you on this Supper occasion. Thank you.